I'm gonna do this. Since tomorrow we samowie die at school, I'm going to bring the 100 to school. Ha 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 ha.
At 5 a.m.
I just can't wait. Ha 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 ha.
At school. Good morning, class. Today is movie day. And we will either watch a G or PG film. No PG-13, R, or NC-17 rated films. If you bring PG-13, you will be warned. If you bring rated R, you will be sent to the principal's office for suspension. But, if you bring an NC-17 rated film, you will be expelled from this school. And you will never come back to this school ever again. Okay, let's get started. It can be on VHS, DVD, or Blu-ray because this classroom has all 3 players. Anyways, let's start with Stephanie Cat. Stephanie Cat, what movie did you bring?
I brought Toy Story on DVD.
Good job, Stephanie Cat. That movie is rated PG. Benny Cat, how about yours?
I brug Finding Nemo on DVD.
Good job, Benny Cat. That movie is rated G. Daniel the Fox, what movie did you bring?
I brought Cars on DVD.
Good job, Daniel. That movie is rated PG. Cheesy, what movie did you bring?
He brought My Little Pony the movie on DVD.
Good job, Cheesy. That movie is rated PG. Dark Ginger, what movie did you bring?
I brought 17 on DVD.
Really? The Fountain? That movie is rated PG-13. You have been warned. Please don't bring that again, okay?
Och, Mr. Dallas, you won't bring it again.
Alright, Evil Daniel, what movie is yours?
I bruk bygger, långor, annon ton VHS.
Evil Daniel, that movie is rated R. Go to the principal's office for your suspension. And finally, Evil Stephanie Cat, what movie did you bring?
I brug 100 on Blu-ray.
Evil Stephanie Cat, how dare you bring 100 Tears? That movie is rated NC-17. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now. You are grounded when you get home. So Evil Stephanie Cat, why are you crying in my office?
I brug 100 on Blu-ray, eventul gaitis rated NC-17.
Go home right now. Back at home.
Evil Stephanie Cat, how dare you bring 100 tears to school?
That's it. You are grounded for 8 months.
Go to your room right now and think about what you have done.